That time you realized one of the hardest words to pronounce in English is actually easy. I'm hearing a sound that's a little bit back here, work. And what I want, just like with is more of a that sound, work. Think about what that adjustment you made to work.
Okay. Work.
Yeah, exactly. A little bit more forward, a little more open and relaxed. Work.
Work.
Word.
Word.
Worth.
Worth.
Earth.
Earth.
Bird.
Bird.
Herd.
Herd.
Yeah, that was really good. I loved all of them. Bird was a little bit of like the darker held a little bit. The rest were really, I loved how you did this gesture. Yes, it is that. It is relaxing, open, forward, down.
I felt that I made that R from my throat.
Instead of, how would you say you were doing it before?
Uh-huh. Bird. A bit
So are you saying before it was from your throat or now it's from your throat?
Before.
And where is it from now?
Bird. Maybe middle. Yeah. Not quite forward, but maybe in the middle.
Yeah, that sound is perfect. Very free, very clear, and relaxed. I want to also talk about, just because sometimes I like working on longer words, and this is such a common word that we use when we're talking about work. Organization, 5 syllables. Zay is our stress syllable. Let me just hear you say zay.
Zay.
Yeah, let me hear you say organa.
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 That's perfect. Can we do it even faster? Organa.
Organa.
Good. And now we're going to tack on the stressed syllable. Organize.
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 Yes. That's sounding really simple and very organa. You know, not too clear, not too articulated, but I'm getting it all. Organize.
Organize.
Yeah, perfect. Shin. Right. I was afraid it was going to be too long and it wasn't. Zation. Yes. Oh my gosh, it's perfect. Organization. Yes, exactly. So the first time it was just a little bit, I don't really want to use the word overpronounced, but there was just a little bit more going on in your mouth than needed to be. And when you simplified it, it really let it be free and fast with that rhythmic contrast really dialed in. And it also happens to sound a little bit more relaxed with lower placement because you're doing a little bit less work. Do you also feel that you're doing a little bit less work?
Yes,
Yeah.
I do.
The Rachel's English Academy Black Friday sale is happening now. Visit rachelsenglishacademy.com to get access to our courses, our teachers, and our community. 50 to 60% off at rachelsenglishacademy.com. That's it, and thanks so much for using Rachel's English.